Good afternoon, dear guests. My name is Shukhrat, and I want to answer how does specific fuel consumption change with altitude. For this, first consider the Bernoulli's law. The Bernoulli's law is a relationship between the speed of a stationary fluid flow and its pressure. The Bernoulli's equation consists of two gases, the incompressible gases and compressible gases. The incompressible gas equation shows the relationship between flow speed and its pressure. Pressure decreases with increasing speed. Pressure increases with decreasing speed. The compressible gas equation shows the relationship between flow speed and its temperature. Temperature decreases with increasing speed, and temperature increases with decreasing speed. During the flight on the aircraft acts thrust force, lift force, drag force, and weight force. Lift, thrust, weight, and drag. The air pressure decreases 1 millibars for every 10 meters. The higher altitude, the lower pressure and lower air density. Therefore, less friction force, less drag force, and less thrust. That's why I need less fuel consumption. At lower altitude, the higher pressure and higher air density. At lower altitude on the aircraft acts more drag force. To overcome drag force, aircraft consumes more fuel. Thank you for attention.